It does not have a capacitive touchscreen, HD radio, Apple CarPlay, or Android Auto, but JVC's KW-V250BT is more than an upgrade to the factory stereo in your mother's 98 Civic. It gets the job done with all the features you really need, plus a few unique ones, and all for under $250. That's a no-brainer on a budget. Inside the box is a parking brake extension, wiring harness, external microphone for hands-free calling, hardware, and a double-din stereo. The rear connections include Sirius XM, a wiring harness for power ground and speaker, external microphone, 3.5mm AV video input, video output, backup camera, 3 sets of 2.5V preamp outputs for front, rear, and subwoofer, and radio antenna. This double-din Bluetooth DVD-CD receiver features a 6.2-inch clear-resistive touchscreen display with high transparency and high luminance, which provides bright images with vivid colors. The touchscreen responsiveness is actually pretty fantastic. I honestly thought it was capacitive. The display is not detachable. And the head unit features a built-in DVD and CD player, and has a resolution of 800 by 480 pixels. It's not quite HD, but DVDs and videos still look pretty good. Display settings include preset wallpaper selection, or you can upload your own JPEG with a thumb drive, wallpaper color, home screen customization, and more. An important feature on the V250BT is its rear 3.5mm AV jack. This jack allows you to mirror a mobile device to the stereo. Using this jack in combination with the CA-C3AV, our mirroring adapter HDMI V2, you'll be able to mirror both audio and video to the stereo. For iPhone, also use a Lightning Digital AV adapter, and USB-C Android, use the Beuler BUC HDMI 6. We'll put links for all those adapters in the video bio below. The function button on the side of the display enables the pop-up shortcut menu to access things like audio settings, rear camera, AV source, and eject. Bluetooth connection is a breeze with this stereo. Simply connect your iPhone or Android device via a USB, and the automatic Bluetooth pairing function will work to complete the pairing. Stream all your favorite songs wirelessly, plus search for songs directly from the radio. Connecting a device via the USB port not only enables a charge to your phone, but also gives you access to your music and control over music apps like Spotify. You can even set Spotify as a source on the home screen, which is super convenient. The difference between the USB and the Bluetooth connection is the USB displays album artwork onto the head unit and offers higher quality audio as opposed to compressed Bluetooth audio. With a USB thumb drive, you can play back music, video, and JPEG images. This head unit is Sirius XM ready with the SXV300V1 and steering wheel control ready with the Axxess ASWC1 interface. Links for both in the video bio below. The radio tuner features 20 presets. When it comes to sound quality, JVC's K2 technology reproduces the original master sound of your music by expanding the bitrate and frequency range. Plus, JVC packed plenty of audio adjustments in this head unit. Now let's test the power of the JVC KW-V250BT. The first test we ran was 2 channels driven at 4 ohms, 14.4 volts, 1 kHz EQ flat. Our audio precision will generate our signal and measure distortion. At volume 32, our HP8903B audio analyzer picked up 19.54 watts RMS of continuous power, 1% distortion, and 8.76 volts of output. We can swap from left to right channels. Our AMM1 read 15 watts, and we drew 4.8 amps of current. Down to 40 Hz, volume 32, our HP picked up 19.14 watts RMS of continuous power, 1.03% distortion, and 8.64 volts of output. Swap from left to right channels. Our AMM1 read 16 watts RMS, and we drew 4.79 amps of current. Next, we tested the RCA preamp outputs. At 40 Hz, full volume 35, we got 2.5 volts with 1% distortion. At 1 kHz max volume, we got 2.5 volts with 1% distortion. Our final test was frequency response. We used our audio precision to run up each frequency. Overall, the JVC KW-V250BT performed pretty well, and it hit every spec that it was supposed to. Be sure to go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all of your car audio and video gear with us today. Links for everything in the bio below. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that like button, join the conversation below, and subscribe to our channel if you're new. Thanks for watching.